Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IAS coaching in your city, Kannur? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 4 institutes for best IAS preparation in your city, Kannur. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus IAS Coaching. Plutus IAS coaching classes are top ranking coaching classes and were established with the mission of providing UPSC IAS guidance to all aspiring students. Plutus IAS coaching provides offline classroom programs as well. The vision of Plutus IAS coaching is very simple and honest. Their vision is to help and raise awareness about UPSC positions and examinations. This coaching gives the right resources to help and achieve your goal. Alright, now let's talk about the contact details. But before that, let me give you quickly about their teaching faculty. Friends, Plutus IAS classes offers one of the best IAS coaching faculty to the candidates. The classes in Plutus IAS coaching are interactive and informative. Plutus IAS also provides doubt clearing sessions which are held after the class. Alright, now let's talk about the contact details. Alright, so the email ID includes info@plutusias.com and their contact number is 8448440231. Friends, you can also visit their website which is www.plutusias.com. If you will visit the website, you'll read a lot about the courses offered by the institution and their success stories and the reviews of the students as well. So definitely do check out this website once. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. Friends, The Hindu Zone Coaching is one of the best coaching in terms of faculty, be it in terms of doubt clearing classes or be it in terms of how batch sizes are small or interactive classes are. In all these aspects, Hindu Zone is one of the best IAS coaching available in Kannur. Friends, apart from the teaching methodology of Hindu Zone Coaching, which is great, Hindu Zone Coaching also provides you completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The website of this institution is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will visit to the website and register yourself there, a mentor will directly approach you and will give you a completely free of cost counseling session. You can discuss your doubts with the mentors and mentor will definitely guide you to the right pathway, making your path easier to crack the UPSC IAS examination. Therefore, you should definitely go ahead and check the Hindu Zone website once, as even at your worst, you will get a completely free of cost counseling session. So do check that out. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Yojana IAS classes. The email ID of this institute is info@yojanaias.com and the contact number includes 8595390705. The website is www.yojanaias.com. Now let's discuss why you should join Yojana IAS. The number one reason being live online classes for IAS. The live online classroom model is interactive and constantly developing to suit individual needs by providing abundant mental stimulation to the students. The number two reason is recorded online IAS coaching videos. At many times we feel that we will watch the videos at night, we don't want to attend the classes right now. So Yojana IAS also provided this option of recorded online classes so that you can watch the videos and understand the concepts at your pace and whenever you want to. The number 3 reason being experienced faculty. Without any shadow of doubt, it is the members of the teaching community who impart progress into the students, and Yojana IAS is one of the best when it comes to teachers and their faculty. The last reason is that it also provides you best study materials. Yojana IAS provides a comprehensive study material that follows a spaced learning approach and is scientifically designed to cater to the evolving demands of the UPSC or IAS examinations. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 4 institute, is Kautilya IAS Coaching in Kannur. They at Kautilya IAS focus on the right teaching methodology which give their students a correct framework to choose the right path for their future. They also provide them with notes and study material, but their teaching is not based on the notes. They basically teach with the bare acts, books and other recent case laws so that students have a better understanding and large approach. Number 2, let's talk about what is the highlight of this institution. So friends, the number one highlight of this institution includes personalized attention, current affairs magazine, weekly test series, mock test based on last year question paper, and then they also have a quick cover for every case studies and all the other things as well. Alright, now let's talk about the contact details. The email ID includes info@kautilyias.com and their contact number is 8595391086. The website of this institute is www.kautilya.ias.com, and hence you should definitely go ahead and visit this institution's website once. It will be an enriching experience for sure. So friends, these were our top 4 institutes for best IAS preparation in your city, Kannur. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.